So, Patty had, which knee was bad?
Right knee.
Right knee was bad. Kind of 0 to 10, how bad was it hurting in the beginning?
8 to 9.
8 to 9. You said it was difficult to do certain things. Stairs was bad.
Yeah.
Just walking around, how bad was that?
Wasn't too bad just walking, but the stairs I had to take one at a time. And at night when you lay down, it would ache and hurt.
Okay.
You just have to keep moving it, trying to get.
So we did a regen shot, and it's been 4 months.
Yes.
Now you told me you can now go up and down stairs.
My sister's apartment is 15 stairs to it, and I can go up and down it without a problem.
So you don't have to do the one-legged step anymore.
No.
That's working. Just being on it throughout the day seems to be getting a little better and easier, less pain.
Yes, it's good.
General pain levels over the last week?
Well, about 3.
Yeah, so mild.
Yeah.
Mild. So everything's getting better, and we're going to keep watching this as it goes along. We kind of follow everybody out to 6 months to see, how well it does. But so far, you're satisfied.
Yeah.
I think it's doing good. We're right on track, so we're doing good.
Yep.